Muted.
सिद्धान्तकौमुद्याः कारकप्रकरणे सप्तमः पाठः मे मासस्य 27 दिनाङ्कः येनाक्षरसमां न्यायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते। We'll do the Ashtadhyayi first. So if one of you can just repeat it after me, the Karakadhikara. Maybe I think Pravichandanji you can do it today. So
Unmuted.
Okay.
finish it.
Okay.
Karake,
कारके कारके
Dhruvam apaye apadanam,
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम् ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
Bhitrarthanam bhayahetuhu,
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
Parajerasodhaha,
पराजेरसोडः पराजेरसोडः
Varanarthanam ipsitaha,
वारणार्थानाम् ईप्सितः वारणार्थानाम् ईप्सितः
Antardhau yena darshanam icchati,
अन्तर्धौ येनादर्शनमिच्छति अन्तर्धौ येनादर्शनमिच्छति
Akhyatopayoge,
आख्यातोपयोगे आख्यातोपयोगे
Janikartuh prakritihi,
जनिकर्तृ प्रकृतिः
Bhuvah prabhavaha,
भुवः प्रभवः
कर्मणायमभिप्रैति ससम्प्रदानम्
कर्मणायम् अभिप्रेति ससम्प्रदानम्
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमानः
श्लाघनुस्थाशपां ज्ञीप्स्यमानः
श्लाघनु स्ता शपां नीप्स्यमानः श्लाघन्यु स्ता शपां नीप्स्यमानः
धारेरुत्तमर्णः
धारेरुत्तमर्णः
स्पृहेरीप्सितः
स्पृहेरीप्सितः
क्रुधद्रुहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां
क्रुधद्रुहेष्यासूयार्थानां
यं प्रतिकोपः
यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयोः कर्म
क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयोर्कर्म
क्रुधद्रुहोः
क्रुधद्रुहोः उपसृष्टयोः कर्म क्रुधद्रुहोः उपसृष्टयोः कर्म sorry
राधीक्ष्योर्यस्य
राधीक्ष्योर्यस्य विप्रश्नः
प्रत्याङ्भ्यां श्रुवः पूर्वस्य कर्ता
प्रत्याङ्भ्यां श्रुव पूर्वस्य कर्ता अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
साधकतमं करणं दिवः कर्म च परिक्रयणे
सम्प्रदानमन्यतरस्याम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
अधिशींस्थासां कर्म
अधिशींस्तासां कर्म अभिनिविशश्च
उपान्वद्ध्यां वसः
उपान्वद्ध्यां वसः
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
कर्तुरीप्सितमं कर्म कर्तुरीप्सितमं कर्म
तथा युक्तं च अनीप्सितं
तथा युक्तं च अनीप्सितम्
अकथितं च
अकथितं च
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थ
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थ
शब्दकर्मा कर्मकाणाम्
शब्दकर्मा कर्मकाणाम्
अणिकर्ता सणौ
अनिकर्ता सनौ
हृक्रोरन्यतरस्याम्
हृक्रोरन्यतरस्याम्
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
प्राग्रीश्वरान् निपाताः
प्राग्रीश्वरान्निपाताः
Thank you.
Thanks.
Muted.
कारकप्रकरणे कर्मसंज्ञाप्रकरणम् अधीयमानमस्ति. कर्मसंज्ञाविधायकानि सूत्राणि कानि सूत्राणि अस्माभिरधीतानि एतावता?
Unmuted.
Sutras which we have studied which give कर्मसंज्ञा.
कर्तुरीप्सितमं कर्म
So प्रथमं सूत्रमासीत् कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म.
तथा
कर्तुः क्रियया आप्तुम् इष्टतमं कारकं कर्मसंज्ञं स्यात् इति प्रधानं सूत्रं कर्मसंज्ञाविधायकम्.
तथा युक्तं च
ततः
अनीप्सितम्
तथा युक्तं च अनीप्सितम्. तथा युक्तं यथा ईप्सिततमवत् ईप्सिततमं भवति तद्वत् क्रियया युक्तम् अनीप्सितम्.
Muted.
तत् द्वेष्यम् उपेक्ष्यं वा. So that either that which is not intended by the karta or that which he does not want at all. So either of those can also get the karma samnya if it is associated with the kriya in the same way that an ipsitatama would be associated. So okay, the next one. Sorry.
Unmuted.
अकथितश्च
Agathitancha was the third one. So apadanadi visheshaihi avivakshitam karakam karma samyam syat. So we have the other karakas, apadana, sampradana, adhikarana and so on. So if the speaker does not intend any of those relationships for a karaka, so it can be given a karma samya. Okay. So यदा अपादानादि विशेषकारकाणि अविवक्षितानि भवन्ति तदा तस्य कर्मसंज्ञा भवितुमर्हति इति अनेन सूत्रेण उच्यते. किन्तु सर्वेषां धातूनां विषये न, केषाञ्चन धातूनामेव विषये एतद् भवितुमर्हति. के ते धातवः? Which are these dhatus? So these dhatus are called vikarmakas because there is the original karma. मूलं यत् कर्मपदम् ईप्सिततमं कर्म तत्तु भवति. यद् अकथितम् अन्यकारकेण अविवक्षितम् अन्यकारकरूपेण अविवक्षितं तदपि कर्म भवितुमर्हति इत्यनेन कर्मद्वयं भवति. के ते विकर्मकाः धातवः? Which are those? So we had Karika, Duhyach, Pachidand, Rudhi Prachi, Chipru, Shasu, Ji, Mathumusha, Karmayuksya Rakathitan, Tathasyani, Hilkrishvaha. So you have these dhatus. There are 12 plus 4, 16 dhatus. Duh, Yach, Pach, Dand, Rudhi Prachi, Chi, Bru, Shasu, Ji, Math, Musham. Tatha Nihru Krishvaham. So there are 12 plus 4, 16 dhatus which are called vikarmakas. Because when associated with these, if there is a karaka and any of the karakas which is not vivakshita, then it can be given the karma samnya. We are looking through the list of the prayogas of these vikarmaka dhatus. So we have already covered 4 of them. So we did Duh, Yach, Pach, there were two prayogas for yach. So duh, two for yach and pach. So idanim dand dhatuh. Gargan shatam dandayati. Iti udaharanam dattamasti Kaumudyam. Raja iti karta. Gargan shatam dandayati. Dandanam nama kim? Atra grahananukulah vyaparaha. So dandana has two, danda dhatu itself carries two meanings. So one of them is to punish and the other is to fine, to collect a fine. So in this particular case, it is intended in the sense of collecting a fine. So grahananukulah vyaparaha, to collect something is dandayati. So what does he collect? Shatam. So shatam, 100 rupees or varahas or whatever was the currency, something. So ipsitatamam bhavati shatam, ataha shatam pradhanam karma. Kebhyaha grinhati. So from whom does he collect? From the gargas. That is, he finds gargas 100 rupees. So as you can see, I mean, even in English you can see that there are two karma padas, right? So gargas. So gargaha apadanam. He is collecting from them. Atha vastutaha apadanam. Apadanasya avivakshayam karma samyam bhavati. So if you look at the Balamanorama, gargan shatam dandayati iti. Dandadhatuhu grahananukula vyapararthakaha. Tadagadina gargebhyaha suvarna shatam grinhati ityarthaha. So Suvarna shatam grinhati gargebhyaha. So garga is the apadana and suvarna shata. Tadadanadi vyapara prayojya grahana vishayatvat. So shatam pradhana karma. Okay. Garganam tu tad grahana avadhitvat, because it is avadhi. You will see apadana later. Apadana is avadhi, that from which it is taken. So avadhitvat guna karmatvam. So it should have been apadana, but it is getting karma samya by akathitancha. So we call it as gauna karma or guna karma. Grahanam hi parakiya dravyasya parasvatva nivritti purvakam swikaranam. Tatra svatva vishleshe garganam avadhitva apadanatvam. Grahana ghataka tadrisha vishlesha pratiyogi bhuta svatvashrayatvat karmatvancha. Tatra apadanatvam adritya karmatva vivakshayam dvitiya. Garga sambandhikam iti tu pranchaha. So here he is showing that there is a difference between how Navya is treated and the, there is what we call the Prachina Vaiyakaranas and the Navya Vaiyakarana. Generally, Nagesha is considered, I mean, the Kaiyata and whoever follows it, Kashikakara and others are treated as the Prachina Vaiyakaranas, whereas Nagesha and his disciples and whoever it's followed, we call it as Navya Vaiyakarana. So there is a difference in how they treat it at the Shabda Bodha level. So let's not go into those details for now. Gargan shatam dandayati. The next one, Vrajam avarudanthi gam. Gopalaha gam vrajam avarunadhi. So avarodhana avarunadhi rudhadhatuhu. Avarodhanam nirgama pratibandhanukulaha vyaparaha. So nirgama. So to prevent something or somebody from leaving or from going to another place is avarodha. So what is being prevented? The cow. So he is preventing the cow, or he is tying up the cow and preventing it from going elsewhere. Ataha gauhu pradhanam karma. Vrajaha adhikaranam. Vraje avarunati is actually tying it up in vraja. Vrajaha deshasya nama. So in vraja. So vrajaha vastutaha adhikaranam. Adhikaranasya vivakshayam karma samya bhavati. So vrajam avarunati. Naam. Nirgama pratibandha purvaka yatkinchid adhikaranaka chirasthityanukula bandhanadvaraka pidhanadi vyaparaha rudher arthaha. So what does this rudha mean? Nirgama pratibandha purvaka. Nirgama is to go away. So pratibandha, to prevent it from going away. Pratibandha purvaka. Yatkinchid adhikaranaka. So in some place, in a particular place, sthityanukula. So to make it stay. Whether it is here it is the cow, or to make somebody stay in a particular place. Sthityanukula bandhana dvaraka. So that means you have to tie it up. Pidhanadi vyaparaha. So or you close the place, close the doors and so on. So that vyapara, that action is given by the dhatu rudh. Gam nirgama pratibandha purvakam vraje chirasthitikam karoti ityarthaha. So the meaning, the sentence gam avarunadhi, vrajam avarunadhi gam means that he is preventing the cow from moving elsewhere and is making the cow stay in vraja. Atra chirasthitim prati vrajasya adhikaranatvam upekshya Godvara tatsthityaashritaya karmatva vivakshayam dvitiya. So when adhikarana is not vivakshita, you have karma. Okay. Akatitancha ityanena karma samya bhavati. So everywhere Balamanoramakara is showing the difference between how Navya Vyakarana is treated and the Prachina is treated at the Shabda Bodha level. I am not going into it as of now. We will see maybe in sometime later we can go into those details also. So Manavakam Panthanam Prachati. Panthaha. So a traveler, he asks a boy, Manavakaha Paschana Balaha, Panthanam, the way. He wants to know the way, so he is asking a boy. So what is Prachna? That is Prachadhatuhu. Prashnaha. Jigyasitartha jnananukulaha vyaparaha. Jigyasitartha jnananukulaha. So there is something which is he wants to know. Tum ichha jigyasa. So the desire to know is jigyasa. So there is something which is he wants to know, which the karta wants to know. So the action which helps him to know that is by asking somebody for help. That is called prashna. So what does he want to know? He wants to know the way or the path. So panthaha tadeva pradhanam karma. Ipsitatamatvat panthaha pradhanam karma. Manavakaha karanam. So how does he know? So Manavaka is the instrument in knowledge. To know the path, he is acting as the instrument. Karanattasya vivakshayam akatitancha ityanena karma samya bhavati. Manavakam panthanam pritchati iti. Jigyasitartha jnananukulaha kena patha gantavyam iti abhilapadi rupa vyaparaha. So an action which involves asking a question like kena patha gantavyam, which route or which way should I take? Vyaparaha pritcherarthaha arthaha. Tatra vishayataya jnana rupa phalashayatvat panthaha pradhana karma. So the jnana is the phala. So the vishaya of jnana is panthaha. So that is the main karma. Tad jnanam prati janakataya ashrayatvat. So Manavakaha guna karma. So Manavaka is also associated with the kriya. Kriya janakam karakam. So with that, towards that jnana, janakataya ashrayatvat Manavakaha guna karma. Manavakena panthanam jnatum ichhati ityarthaha. Atra Manavake karanatva vivakshayam dvitiya. Vruksham avachinoti phalani. So this is for chi dhatu. Avachayanam. Pratyavya adananukulaha vyaparaha. So say there is a fruit, you make it separate from the tree and you collect it. So pratyavya, to make it fall and to collect it. Pratyavya adananukulaha vyaparaha avapurvaka chidhator arthaha. So what does he want to take? The karta, he wants to collect the fruits. Ataha phalani pradhanam karma. Vrikshaha apadanam. So he is collecting them from the tree. Therefore vriksha becomes the apadana. Apadanasya vivakshayam karma samyam bhavati. Vriksham avachinoti phalani. Vrikshat pratyavya phalan adatte ityarthaha. Phalani adatte ityarthaha. Pratyavya adananukula vyaparaha loshta praharadi rupaha. Loshta is a stone. So by stoning the fruits or by some other means. So loshta praharadi rupaha avapurvaka chi dhator arthaha. Tatra pratyavya adana vishayatvad phalani pradhana karma. Pratyava avadhitvad. प्रत्यव अवधित्वात् वृक्षः अपादानम् तस्य अपादानत्वम् उपेक्ष्य कर्मत्वविवक्षायां द्वितीया माणवकं धर्मं ब्रूते शास्ति वा. So the next two dhatus is chi bru shasu. So bru and shasu. So manavakam dharmam brute athava manavakam dharmam shasti. So there is brute, which is vachana, to tell, or shasana. Bodhananukulaha vyaparaha is an action which makes somebody understand or know something. Bodhana is to make somebody know. So bodhananukulaha vyaparaha atra arthaha. So what is he teaching or making him know is dharma. Dharmaha bodhyate. Ataha dharmaha pradhanam karma. Manavakaha sampradhanam. The bodhana is intended to reach the manavaka or the dharma. We'll see later the definition of sampradhana. So karmana yam abhipraiti. So karma here is dharma. So that dharma is intended to go or to be known by the manavaka. Therefore manavaka is the sampradhana. Sampradhanasya vivakshayam karmatvam bhavati. So manavakam dharmam brute shastiveti. Bodhananukula vyaparaha. Chodhanalakshanottho dharmaha ityadi shabdaprayogatmakaha brunorthaha. So the word braviti means to speak. It actually means to tell. So to tell with the intent to make somebody understand. Right? So manavakaya dharmam bodhayati ityarthaha. So vyapara prayojya bodha vishayatvat. So the phala is bodha. Tasya vishayataya ashrayatvat dharmaha pradhanam karma. Bodha vishayena karmana abhipreyamanatvat manavakaha sampradhanam. Tasya sampradhanatvam uprekshya dharmadvara bodhashrayatvat karmatva vivakshayam dvitiya. So when sampradhana is not intended, it will be dvitiya. So next line he says, shaseyastu dharmam kuru ityadi vidhighatita shabda prayoga rupa. Bodhananukula vyaparaha arthaha. Shas dhatu also is used in the same sense, but there is a slight or a subtle difference. Dharmam kuru ityadi vidhighatita shabda prayoga rupaha. So it is a vidhi. So bodhana is just explaining, or brute is just explaining, whereas shasti is an order. Dharmam kuru, you should follow this ityadi. Vidhi ghatita shabda prayoga rupaha. So it is to tell forcefully or to order is shasana. But that also is bodhananukulaha vyaparaha. So it is the same thing. Itarat pragvate. So the rest is the same for either bru or shas. Shatanjayati devadattam. So jayaha. Here jaya is again grahananukula tadanadi vyaparaha, is to get something from somebody. It is not just to victory. Ityarthe na. Kintu grahananukula tadanadi vyaparaha. It is to, it is like, say, in something like gambling, that you win 100 rupees from somebody. Okay, so that kind of jaya is what is intended there. So grahananukula tadanadi vyaparaha. It could either be through betting or through beating up somebody you take, and that is all called jaya. Okay. So what does he take? The karta is shata. Okay. Shatam karma. Kasmat svikaroti, devadattat svikaroti, tasmat devadattaha apadanam, apadanasya avivakshayam karma. So ji abhibhave, shatanjayati devadattamiti, ji abhibhave, garhananukula tadanadi vyaparo jayate arthaha, gargan shatan dandayati itivad vyakhyayam. So it is like dandayati, where you are collecting from the gargas. So it is the same, and therefore the apadanasya vivakshayam gaunam karma bhavati devarattaha. Sudham kshiranidhim mathnati. So manthanam is to churn. Drava dravyagata sarodbhavanukulaha vyaparaha. So what exactly is manthana? drava dravya, there is some matter which is fluid, okay, so or liquid. So tasmat sarodbhavanukulah, sara, to get the essence from it. So an action which enables it, say when you churn butter from buttermilk, so that is also what you are doing. You are taking out the sara or the essence of the buttermilk out of it. So dravadravya sarodbhavanukulah vyaparaha. So what do you actually take out of it? Ipsidatamam kim bhavati sudha. Ataha sudha pradhanam karma. Kasmat svikaroti kshiranidhehe. So it is taken out from the milky ocean. Ataha kshiranidhihi apadanam. Apadanasya vivakshayam karmatvam. Sudham kshiranidhim mathnati. So mantha vilodane iti dhatuhu dravadravya sarodbhavananukulah manthana danda bhrama janita samkshobhatmakaha asphalana paryayaha vyaparaha. So how exactly is it done? Manthana danda, there is one stick, the churning stick like the Mandara Parvata in this case. So manthana danda bhrama janita. So by rotating it, so there is sankshobha, there is kshobha within the liquid. The liquid is churned. So asphalana paryayaha vyaparaha, which is also called asphalana. So that is the meaning of the dhatu mantha dhatohu sahartha. Kshirodadhehe sakashat sudham manthana danda brahmanena udbhavayati ityarthaha. The sentence means the sudha or nectar is taken out of the kshirodadhi, the milky ocean, by the process of manthana. Kshiradanda manthana danda brahmanena. Vyapara prayojya udbhava ashrayatvad. So what is taken out? It is sudha. Ataha sudha pradhana karma. Kshirodadhistu udbhavam prati apadanam. So it is apadana. When it is avivakshita, you get karmatva. Devadattam shatam ushnati. So steals. Moshana is to steal 100 from Devadatta. Moshanam swaminas sakashadapaniya adananukulah. Swaminaha agyataha vyaraha. So what is moshana? He says it is to take somebody from its something from its rightful owner. Okay. So there is 100 rupees which belongs to Devadatta. So it is taken from him without his knowledge. Swaminaha agyataha vyaparaha. Swaminas sakasharapaniya adananukulah. Swaminaha agyataha vyaparaha. Mushadhator arthaha. So what is being taken? Kim adatte? Shatam adatte. Ataha shatam pradhanam karma. Devadattasya sakashat svikaroti ityataha. Devadattaha apadanam. Apadanasya vivakshayam karmatvam. So Devadattam shatam ushnati iti. Apashyati Devadatte. So when Devadatta is not seeing, tadiyam suvarna shatam tasmad apaniya adatte. Like a pickpocket where you do not know that it is being stolen. That is ushnati. So tasmad apaniya adatte ityarthaha. Paraswamika dravyasya swaminas sakasha apaniya adananukulah swamyagyataha nishasanchara bhittitchidra karanadi rupa vyaparaha. So the action could involve roaming around in the night and say breaking open the walls and so on, or it could also be, as I said, pickpocket, anything. So such vyapara, such action is called, is the meaning of musha dhatu, mushasteye iti dhatu. So vyapara prayojya apanayana purvaka adanashrayatvat. So adanasya ashrayaha bhavati shatam. Ataha shatasya shatam pradhana karma. Apanayana avadhitvat devadattaha apadanam. Apadanasya vivakshayam karma. Gramam ajam nayati harati karshati vahati va. So for all four he gives a single example. Gramam ajam nayati, gramam ajam harati, gramam ajam karshati, gramam ajam vahati. So these four have minute differences in meaning, but almost the same. So nayanam, देशांतर संयोगानुकूलः व्यापारः. So that is an action which makes something to reach a different place, okay, to take it. Is to देशांतर संयोगानुकूलः व्यापारः. So किम नयति अजाम नयति. अतः अजा प्रधानं कर्म, ग्रामः अधिकरणं. So where is it taken to? So it is taken to the village. So ग्रामः अधिकरणं भवति. अधिकरणस्य विवक्षायां कर्म. ग्रामम् अजाम नयति इति. ग्रामे अजाम प्रापयति इत्यर्थः. नी प्रापणे इति धातुः. देशांतर संयोगानुकूलः चलनगमनपर्यायो व्यापारः प्राप्तिः. So it is like going or reaching a different place. न तु देशांतर संयोग मात्रम्. Not just reaching. I mean, it is not just being associated with Deshantara. It also refers to the action which enables something to reach a different place. So, Gramam prati chalana dashayameva prapnoti gacchati iti prayoga darshanat. Chalanena sanyoge jate ajagramam gata prapta ityeva darshanat. So, that action of movement is also involved in Nayana. Okay. So, after it reaches, you don't say it is nayati, it is gata athava prapta. So when it is going, it is nayati or prapnoti. So tadrisha praptyanukulaha dandodyamana margantara gati pratibandha purvaka yogya marga sanyojanadi rupa vyaparaha nidhator arthaha. So to make the goat go to a different place or to go to the village, what does he do? Dandodyamana. He probably carries a stick. Margantara gati pratibandha purvaka. So he does not allow it to go to any other path. Yogya marga sanyojanadi. He makes it go on the right path to reach the village. So all such actions together are conveyed by the dhatu ni. Ni dhatu arthaha. Ekadrisha vyapara prayojya grama sanyoga. Tadanukula gamana ubhaya ashrayatvat. So the phala is both reaching the grama and the action of going there. So the ashraya for that is aja, and therefore aja is pradhanam karma. Tadrisha aja adharatvat. So the substratum for that aja is grama. Gramaha adhikaranam. Adhikaranasya avivakshayam karmatvam bhavati. Okay. So after 2 lines he says evameva gramam ajam harati karshati vahati ityapi vyakhyayam. So similarly we can understand that is tatra deshantara sanyoganukulam ajachalanam vahaka dvarakam. Okay, it is through somebody who is taking. Okay, in all these cases there is a vahaka, somebody who is taking that goat. Okay. Tadrisha chalananukula vyaparaha skandha grahanadi rupaha harate arthaha. So when he say harati, he is taking it by say he is taking it on his by catching its shoulders, or skandha grahanadi rupaha, or carrying it on its shoulders. Then we use it as harati. So nayati is he is making it walk towards the village. So harati, that he is carrying it to the village. So karshati rajju bandhanadina balachananam krisherarthaha. So karshati is when he is dragging it with say tying a rope around its throat. So rajju bandhanadina balachananam krisherarthaha. So vahati shakatadi aropanadi rupa deshantara sanyoganukula praptyanukulaha vaherarthaha. So when it is vahati, he carries it on another vehicle, say probably a cart. So in all these cases he is making it reach the village, but there is a difference in the means. So nayati is he is simply making it walk. So harati carrying it, karshati dragging it, vahati so he is taking it on another vehicle. So in all these minute differences in meaning, but the Shabda Bodha, the Karaka will remain the same. Okay. So that is, he has given examples for all the 16 dhatus of the Karika, right? So Duhuyach Pachadand ityadi ye dhatavaha dvikarmakatven oktaha sarvesham udaharanam tattva arthanibandhane yam samya. Yam samya arthanibandhana. So it is in Vyakarana you always know that it swam rupam shabdasya. Ashabda samya. Always it is the Shabda Rupa which is considered, not the Artha. If we are saying Agner Dhak, the Dhak Pratyaya is for the word Agni and not for the word, say, Vanhi. So even if it is Paryaya, we do not consider it. It is Shabda Rupa which is considered always in Vyakarana, not the Artha, except in exceptional cases. So he says Artha Nibandhana. So this particular samya, that is Dvikarmakatva, depends on the meaning and not on the word. That is, if you have say these dhatus, so even dhatus which give the same meaning, other dhatus which are not mentioned in this karika but give the same meaning can also be considered. Arthanibandhaneyam samya. So the Vyakhyana says Kayyatadibhihi tatha Vyakhyatvatvat iti bhavaha. So Kayyata has said that it depends on the meaning. That is, other synonyms of these dhatus can also be considered. Tatha cha etadarthaka dhattvantara sanyogepi dvikarmakatvam labhyate. So even other dhatus which carry the same meaning can be dvikarmakas. So balim bhikshate vasudham. So there is yach dhatu which is considered in this. Duhu yach. So bhiksha is a synonym of yach. So even bhiksha dhatu is a dvikarmaka. That is, even in association with bhiksha. So if you have aparanadi karakaihi avivakshitam karakam karma samyam bhavati ityarthaha. So but the Vyakhyanakara goes on to say that vastutastu bhashye yachi rudhi ityadhyudahata shlokadvaya pariganita duhiyachi rudhi prachi bhikshi chi bruni shasaya iti ashtaveva dhatavaha dvikarmakaha. So he says, I mean, this is what has been proposed by Nagesha, that there are only 8. Actually in the Bhashya there are only 8 Dvikarmaka dhatus which he considers, which the Bhashyakara considers. So Duhi, Yachi, Rudhi, Prachi, Bhikshi, Chi, Brun, Shasayaha. Iti Ashtaveva dhatavaha Dvikarmakaha. Natu Pachi, Dandi, Ji, Prabhutayaha, Tad Bahirbhuta api. So there are others we saw, Pacha, Danda, etc. So they are not considered Dvikarmakas according to the Bhashya. Arthanibandhaneyam samnya ityapi na yuktam bhashya darshanat. Also says this Arthanibandhaneyam samnya is also not accepted in the Bhashya and so on. But for now, according to Bhattoji Dikshitar, so there are 16 Vikarmaka dhatus and it is an Arthanibandhana samnya. So Manakavakam dharmam bhashate abhidhatte vakti ityadi. We saw brew. So synonyms of brew. We have bhashate, abhidhatte, vakti. So sarvepi dvikarmaka eva. Karakam kim? Sutrarthe kim uktam? Apadanadi visheshaihi avivakshitam karakam karma samyam sya. It has to be a karaka. So karakam nama kim? Kriya janakam karakam. So it should be directly associated with the kriya and it should help the kriya to occur in some way. So kimapi karakam syat. Karakaihi avivakshitam karakam eva karma samyam bhavati. Manamakasya pitaram panthanam pruchhati. Manamakasya pitaram pruchhati. So here it is the pita who is associated with pruchha. It is pita who is the kriya janaka karanam. Tasya vivakshayam karmatvam bhavati. Manavakasya tu karma samya na bhavati. Manavakaha, it is only a sambandha with the pita. Okay? It is not associated with the kriya, it is not kriya janaka and not a karaka. Since it is not a karaka, it will not have karma samya in any case. So it is about akathitancha. Any questions?
Samyaji, how is it in the general usage? Do they have Dvikarmaka as Artha Nibandhana or in general literature do we find it that way or how is it?
Yes, Bhakti, these are all found as Dvikarmakas.
Okay,
That
that's
is
why
why
maybe
it gives it.
yeah, okay.
Yes, yes. It is. We have to see how Nagesha actually supports those prayogas. I mean, because even though he says they are not Dvikarmakas, he cannot negate those prayogas. Prayogas to askeva. Sarve Dvikarmakatvena upayunjate. But he will have some other explanation for how they have two karmakadas probably. I wanted to look this up but could not. So, akathitancha You should probably look at the Shekhara or something to see how he deals with it. But the Prayoga is certainly there.
Yeah, that's why Bhattoji is giving.
Prayogastu asteva. Into whether they should be considered as akathita karma or will they get karma samya by the main sutra is what probably is the difference.
That will be interesting.
Muted.
Okay. So now there is a Vartika here. Akarmaka dhatubhir yoge deshah kalah bhavah gantavyodha cha karma samjnah iti vachyam. Akarmaka dhatubhir yoge. There are akarmaka dhatus. Yesham karma na bhavati. So what are akarmaka dhatus? Do you remember we discussed this during the introduction? What dhatus are considered as akarmaka? What is the basis for
Unmuted.
defying dhatus as karmaka, sakarmaka or akarmaka?
Where the phala and the vyapara is the same, and the same thing, then akarmaka.
Phala vyaparayoh samanadhikaranyam.
Yeah,
When
why-
they have the same ashraya.
Yes.
If you look at the sakarmaka dhatus, vyaparaha kartari bhavati, phalantu karmani drishyate. Yatha phalam astu tandulam pachati. इत्युक्ते पाकरूप व्यापारः पाचकेन क्रियते पाकः नाम विक्लिप्तिः तण्डुले दृश्यते. So there is vayyadhikaranyam. यत्र वैयधिकरण्यं तत्र सकर्मकत्वं यत्र तु समानाधिकरण्यं
Muted.
व्यापारयोः समानाधिकरण्यं तत्र अकर्मकत्वम् इति उच्यते. अतः अकर्मकधातुभिर्योगे कर्म न भवति. ईप्सिततमम् इत्यादि न भवति, कर्म न भवति. किन्तु अनेन वार्तिकेन उच्यते अकर्मकधातुभिर्योगे in association with अकर्मकधातुस् देशः कालः भावः गंतव्योद्ध्वा च कर्मसंज्ञकः. So these things are treated as karma in case of akarmaka dhatus. One is desha, the place, there is kalaha, time, bhavaha, the kriya itself, or gantavyodhva, the path to be taken, or the distance. Gantavyaha, the path which is left, the distance is also treated as karma. If you see examples, we'll know. So, akarmaka adibhi dhatubhihi yoge. Kuru panchala adi deshavachakaha. So, a word which indicates desha. Masa samvatsaladi kalavachakaha. So, time, like say a month or a year and so on. Kriya vachakaha. Bhavaha nama kriya. Kroshadi marga parimana vachakaha. So, words which indicate distance to be covered, like krosha, yojana, etc. So, they are all, they will all get karma samya. So, akarmaka dhatubhihi iti. So, this is in the Vyakhyana. Just before it, he says, Nanu kurun swapiti devadattaha masamaste ityadau kurvadehe anuddeshyatvat. So, it is not the uddeshya, not ipsitadama. Karturipsitatamam iti karmatvam na sambhavati. So, we cannot have karturipsitatamam karma. Kartureva swapadi kriyashrayatvat. So, the kriya like swapiti ityukte swapa kriyayaha tat phalasya cha आश्रयः कर्ता एव तथायुक्तम् इत्यपि न कर्मत्वम्. So they are not other कारकाः. तथायुक्तं च अनीप्सितम् इत्यपि न भवति यतोहि कर्म एव नास्ति. So therefore he says अकर्मकधातुभिरिति ग्रामसमूहात्मक कुरुपाञ्चाल अवन्त्यादिपरः अत्र देशशब्दः न तु ग्रामादिः अपि. So desha here refers to particular names of places of a desha and not just say grama. Grama itself is a place, but grame swapiti ityeva bhavati, gramam swapiti iti na bhavati. So there it is not. So he says kuru panchala avantyadi paraha atra desha shabdaha. So names of particular places is what is to be considered. Okay. So kurun, that is what he says. So in these four cases you have the kurun swapiti iti prathamam uda. So, kurun swapiti iti devadattaha iti sheshaha. So, kurun swapiti devadattaha. He sleeps in the Kuru country ityarthaha. So Devadattah iti sheshah. Kurushu nidram karoti ityarthah. So he sleeps in the Kuru country ityeva arthah. Devadatta tu na tritiya. Tinga abhitatvat. So that is what we have already seen. Devadattah Kurushu Swapiti. So there is no tritiya because the karta, Devadatta is the karta, and the karta has already been told by the thing. Swapiti ityatra tinga abhitatva Devadatta tritiya na bhavati. Kurvadi shabdaha janapara vishesheshu svabhavat nitya bahuvachanantaha. So the words like Kuru, Avanti, etc., when they refer to a country, they are nitya bahuvachanantas. Atayeva Kurushu swapiti, Kurun swapiti. So it can either be saptami or karma samya bhavati chet dvitiya bhavati. Masam aste. He stays for a month. Ityarthaha. So atra masa iti kalavachakaha. So atra dvitiya karma samya bhavati, karma samya prayukta dvitiya vibhaktirapi. Masam aste. So masam aste iti. Masasya adhikarana samyam badhitva karmatvam. So this vartika is actually like an addition to akathitancha. So mase iti adhikaranam bhavati, adhikaranasya vivakshayam karmatvam bhavati. So masasya adhikarana samyam badhitva karmatvam. Godoham aste. So here Godoha is the bhava or the kriya. So he stays as long as the cows are being milked. That is, he stays for that duration as long as the cows are being milked. So Godoham, Dohanam Dohaha. So Dohaha is the act of milking. Bhave ghai. Bhavo nama dhatvarthaha. So Godohana kalaha atra vivakshitaha. Right? So the time or the duration of Godoha is what is intended. He stays for that duration. Nacha iha kalattvadeva siddhishankya. So if it is so why can't we have it by the previous thing? He said kalavachaka. So for a time. So when time is intended, why not have it because of kala? Nacha iha kalatvadeva siddhishankya ahoratra samuhasya masadereva tatra grahanat. So it refers to the kala there refers to words which always indicate time. Godoha indicates the act of milking a cow. Godoha maste iti prayoga baladhyayate tat kala he stays for that duration. But Godoha by itself does not convey kala. Right? So the previous thing, the kala stands for those words which indicate time. Here words which indicate action but not directly action. So the time of that action. So, nachaiha kalattvadeva siddhishankya ahoratra samuhasya masadereva tatra grahanat. Krosham aste. So, krosham aste iti. So, gantavyena adhvano visheshitatvat niyata parimanaha kroshadireva gruhyate. So, gantavyodhva iti uktatvat, a particular distance, a measure of distance is considered. Krosha is that. So Krosham aste. Gantavyatva visheshanat adhvani aste ityatra na bhavati. So he is on the road ityatra na bhavati. Krosham aste is he is at a distance of 1 krosha from his destination. Krosham aste ityarthaha. So anatyanta sanyogartham idam vartikam. Atyanta sanyoge tu. So that is different. We will see kaladhanor atyanta sanyoge later on. Okay, so the next sentence in the Bala Manorama, Vastutastu akarmaka dhatubhiryoge ityadi vachanam bhashye na drishyate. So we see this many cases where Dikshitar, when he gives Vartikas, they might not be given in that as a Vartika in the Mahabhashya. Okay? So he sometimes creates the Vartikas, I mean taking the arguments or the Siddhanta of the Bhashya, he creates sentences which look like Vartikas, but they might not be the exact what is said in the Bhashya. So he says, Vastutastu akarmaka dhatubhiryoge ityadi vachanam bhashye na drishyate. So that particular sentence is not seen in the Bhashya. Kintu akarmaka dhatunam katham dvikarmakatvam ityashankayam. So that is, can akarmaka dhatus be considered in akathitancha iti prashne kalabhamadva gantavyaha karmasamyahya karmanam deshascha iti uktam. So that is what the Bhashakara says. So for akarmakas, these things get the karma samya. He शब्दघटितत्वात् इदं न विधायकं किन्तु अनुवादकमेव. Yes, it is not a particular vidhi, because this vachana is not stating that these things will get karma samya, किन्तु अनुवादकम्. तथा हि कुरून् स्वपिति इत्यादौ स्वापादि क्रियया कुर्वादीन् व्याप्नोति इत्यर्थः. So he says they will naturally get karma samya. The desha, kala, bhava or adva will naturally get karma samya because of the interpretation. How do you interpret swapiti here? Swapadina vyapnoti ityarthaha. So there is swapiti instead of the plain meaning of just sleeps. So he covers that place by sleeping ityarthaha. So kurvadi swapadi kriyaya kurvadin vyapnoti ityarthaha. धातूनाम् अनेकार्थकतया कदाचित् तेषां स्वापादिकरणक व्यापनेपि वृत्तेः. So we have that धातूनाम् अनेकार्थत्वम्. So a dhatu does not always convey the same exact meaning. So all dhatus generally convey shades of meaning depending on the context. So here we take that vyapnoti. Kim vyapnoti? Kurun vyapnoti. Ataha ipsitatamatvadev karmatva siddhihi, because of a slightly expanded meaning of those dhatus. So naturally we have the karma for those things, desha, kala, bhava or antavyodhva, and this is not a vidhi is what the Vyakhyakara intends to convey. Tatasya karturipsitatamam ityeva siddham. Yadadu swapadidhatunam swapadaveva vrittihi natu vyapti paryante. So when you take just plain sleeping as the meaning, tada purushusvapiti mase aste iti adhikaranatvam eva. एतच्च अहतिदञ्च इत्यत्र काणाध्वनो रत्यन्तसंयोगे इत्यत्र च भाष्ये स्पष्टम्. So that is about the Vartika. कर्मकधातुभिर्योगे देशः कालो भावो गन्तव्योऽध्वा च कर्मसम्यक इति वाच्यम्. Any questions?
Unmuted.
So the entire context is, it was all on the vivaksha of the speaker. How to interpret.
Exactly. Karaka is always that. Vivakshatah karakani bhavanti.
So you cannot go wrong in exam.
Important.
So which means in exam you cannot go wrong because the vivaksha is always there, right? You can always give vivaksha as a default scapegoat.
But are you using the correct words to convey your vivaksha is what matters. See, words make a difference. What is your vivaksha? I mean, you cannot express your vivaksha without the right words. Right. So this prakarana actually makes sure that you're using the right words to convey the right vivaksha. Okay, so therefore,
Muted.
Actually, that is the biggest challenge for all this
Unmuted.
the natural language processing, where they try machine translation and other things. That is the biggest challenge because so much depends on the vivaksha. When we are speaking or communicating directly, we understand the vivaksha through so many things other than words. Say there is context, there is previous samskara.
Right.
I mean, you have experiences. So many things matter rather than the plain words. Right. But when you are trying to feed these words to a computer, what the computer gets is only the words. It does not remove from the context, remove from the previous experience, remove from the accent, and so on. So that is the speciality of communication, where it is not just words.
Even the tone, even the tone in which you speak.
Yeah, that's what I said. Accent when you are speaking, and the same thing. Whether there's a question mark, it's very obvious. When is it a full stop or a question mark? You don't have to. I mean, it is so obvious when I speak.
Right.
When somebody speaks. Right. So if you have just that word, it is impossible for a computer to interpret it. Right? So that is the biggest challenge, because communication is so much more than just speech, just the words. We'll stop here, so we'll see the next sutra tomorrow. Enakshara samam nayamidhigamya maheshwarat vatsam vyakaranam proktam tasmai paninaya namaha.
Muted.
मैत्रेयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते.
The organizer